Okay, welcome back. So in this very short video, I just want to share with you and to give you an introduction what is a Facebook page. If you don't know, Facebook page is a page in the Facebook that you can create to let people follow your tips and expertise. It's not so much of community support, and it does not have any limit on followers. So many Facebook users can just follow your page, and whenever you post something on your page, they will receive a notification that you have something new. So that's how Facebook page work. So if you are very new to Facebook group and page and is wondering which one to start, I would strongly recommend that you start with Facebook group first. Once you have more members in the Facebook group, then you can start the page. That's my suggestion. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.